In this video, I will show you
how to make viral hooks with Nano Banana.
And VEO3 on Fotor.
Just like this.
Are you ready for the tutorial?
To create this viral hook, we'll use Nano Banana, VEO3, and sound effects trove. And luckily, Fotor brings all these tools together in one place. To really make this effect work, the first thing you need is your video. Just grab the last frame and export it as an image. That's the one we'll edit in Nano Banana. I'll export mine in CapCut, then hop over to Nano Banana inside Fotor and upload it. From here, all you do is describe who you want to turn into. I'm going with Iron Man. But honestly, you can try anything, even aliens. And yeah, sometimes you might need to prompt a couple of times to get the perfect result. And once I've got my new character, we're heading over to Fotor's AI video generator. Here, just open the menu and choose Image to Video. Under the model, select VEO3 Fast, then upload the image we just made with Nano Banana in Fotor. I'll click Upload, pick the image, crop, and save. Now it's time to add a prompt. For mine, I wrote, Iron Man starts with a big laugh and says, "Are you ready for this tutorial?" By the way, you can also set the resolution to 1080p. And if you want the character to interact more with the audience, just add something like use hand to point forward at the end of your prompt. Then hit generate and VEO3 will create the video.
Are you ready for this tutorial?
Once I'm happy with the result, I'll download it and bring it into CapCut for the final edit. So now I've got two things, the original footage and the Iron Man video I want to transform into. The question is, how do we create that middle transition? Well, we already have the last frame from the original clip and the first frame of the Iron Man video. Now we can jump back into Fotor's AI video generator, which actually lets us generate a video with both a start frame and an end frame. All we need to do is select the model I'm choosing, Director 1, then turn on the last frame option, upload the end frame from the original footage, and upload the start frame from the VEO3 video we just generated. For the start frame, I'm using the original image, and for the end frame, the VEO3 frame. For the prompt, I wrote, the man gradually transforms into Iron Man, with the helmet appearing last to complete the suit. In the settings, I also switched the resolution to HD so I don't have to upscale later. Then I just hit generate. Once it's done, we can see the transformation is smooth, though not as smooth as I'd hoped. So I downloaded the video for social, brought it into CapCut, and trimmed it down. By speeding it up from about 5 seconds to just 1 second, the transition looks way smoother. And now when I play it back, it flows perfectly between the two clips. But right now, it feels a bit empty. To really sell the effect, we need to add some sound effects. CapCut has tons of free ones we can use. Since this is an Iron Man transition, we want something robotic. Go to the audio menu on the left, click Sound Effects, and search for Robot in the bar. You'll see options like Robot Transformation. Just drag it onto the timeline below. Let's preview it. Not bad, right? For even better results, you can experiment with different sound effects and pick the one that fits best. It might take a little time, but that extra effort is what makes it perfect. And that's the final result.
Just like this.
Are you ready for this tutorial?
This is how you can use Nano Banana and VEO3 on Fotor to create an effective viral hook. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And for more AI tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe.